Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download Netflix on your Apple TV. It's a super easy process, so let's get started. First, make sure you're on the home screen of your Apple TV. Then, scroll down through your list of apps until you find the App Store. Go ahead and open that up. Once the App Store is open, you'll likely be on the Discover page. Now, Netflix is a pretty popular app, so you might already see it listed here. But if you don't, no worries. Scroll all the way back up to the top where you see the hotbar. Then, scroll all the way to the right until you find the search icon. Click on that. Now go ahead and search for Netflix. If you're feeling lazy, or if you don't see the search bar right away, you can actually press and hold the side button on your Siri remote and search using your voice. Just say Netflix. Okay, once you've searched, you should see Netflix as the first result. Click on the app, and it will take you to the app page. If you scroll down here, you can read more about the application. But to download it, scroll all the way back up to the top. You should see a button. If you've never downloaded Netflix before, it will say Get. But since I've downloaded it before, it shows a cloud download button. I'm going to click that. This will immediately begin downloading the application to your Apple TV. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password, so be ready for that. After a few seconds, it should be successfully downloaded. Once it's finished, click on the Open button. This will open the Netflix application on your Apple TV. Now, if you're new to Netflix, click on Join Now. If you already have an account, like most of us, click on Sign In. Then, just go ahead and sign into your account just like you normally would. And that's it. You can now start watching Netflix on your Apple TV just as you normally would. So that's how you download the Netflix app to your Apple TV. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Thanks for watching.